Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of April, 2025. And now we aim to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.41. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 0.71%. This amounts to an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 13.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 26.13% to negative 13.72%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 8.17%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 2.60% to 21.33% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $540.10 and $672.82. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for SPY. The SPY ETF price gained approximately 0.0397% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of April 2025, rising from $554.32 to $554.54. It has now gained for 7 consecutive days. It is not often that an ETF manages to achieve such a streak, and some pullbacks should be expected. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.4%, with a low of $541.52 and a high of $554.54. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.15% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 29 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 76 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $41.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 9.57%, or $58.69, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500, tracked by the SPY ETF, is currently experiencing a volatile period marked by both optimistic trends and challenges. As of the end of April 2025, the index notably concluded the month with a 7th consecutive daily gain, reaffirming its resilience even amidst an initial decline prompted by weaker GDP data. This winning streak since November indicates a bullish sentiment that could foster continued investment interest in the near term. However, recent data reveals a significant outflow from SPY, totaling $2.4 billion, contrasting sharply with the $756.8 million inflow into competing ETFs like VU. This outflow could signal concern among investors about potential market volatility driven by upcoming economic indicators and earnings reports from major companies like Microsoft and Meta, which are anticipated to impact overall market confidence. Moreover, technical indicators suggest the S&P 500 could reach significantly higher levels, ranging from $6,738 to $7,122, providing a bullish outlook long-term. Yet analysts caution about the possibility that the market may still not have fully bottomed out amidst ongoing uncertainty regarding tariff policies and global economic conditions. This mixed landscape implies that while short-term gains may attract investors, longer-term sentiments remain cautious as the market navigates through potential shocks. Overall, Investors should watch for developments in corporate earnings and inflation data, as these will heavily influence SPY's price movement in the coming weeks. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart is mostly showing positive signals today. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at $545.64 and $546.74. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen by 11.69%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal issued 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal issued 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal issued 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal issued 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal issued 45 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, buy signal issued 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal issued 45 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal issued 37 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $548.62, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF moved $13.02 between its high and low, which is a variation of 2.4%. In the past week, the ETF has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.72%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $555.92. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $548.62. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $528.09, reflecting a decline of 4.77%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal based on a pivot bottom that occurred 15 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are showing positive trends. Despite the ETF being in a downward trajectory, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 1st of May, we expect SPY to open lower by $4.34, starting at $550.20. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.